Guys, thank you for watching. We're cooking kingfish, and it is done. It is finally done cooking after 2 hours of cooking. We've been cooking it 2 hours, but it's been very slow cooking. Very slow cooking. It's beautiful. We're ready to take it off, and we're ready to eat. We're ready to eat. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's cooked through. Amazing fish. You see how it looks? We tried for you. We see lemon on it. Everything on it. Beautiful. This is George Foreman Grill. We appreciate you watching our channel. This fish, delicious with lemon juice, orange juice, complete seasoning, lemon, pepper, mayonnaise. Inside it is stuffed with bell peppers, banana peppers, olives, everything inside. You know, we took the tail, we put it out here because it was sticking out, because the fish was so big. This is George Foreman Grill, very nice grill. I'm gonna grab it. See, you have to grab it very careful. See, very careful. Sorry, see, we have to grab it carefully because you want to get it how you put it on. See, it's cooked. It's cooked, so it's kind of falling apart. Oh, the head fell off, which I was gonna cut it off anyway. See, this is the body. This is what we're gonna eat, and it looks beautiful. We're gonna put it on this plate. Oh yeah. Now the tail. The tail. See the tail? Looks very nice, the tail. Oh yeah. We're gonna put here also. The head we do not need. It just makes the fish, you know, looks complete and whole. This stuff, see, we're gonna put next to it right here. This stuff, and then see, lemons. We cooked it professionally. You know, if you didn't see the beginning videos, I think, you know, please watch them, because this is good cooking. We have a patriotic napkins even, you know. Thank you for watching. See, this fish also, we'll eat it one day also and tape it. Everything we try for you guys, for our viewers. We try for you. This is kingfish, cooked and nice. And thank you for watching. We love you because you're watching. And may God bless you, and everybody, we wish you well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.